guys, I've got this Dyson Cinetic here. I've just been downstairs cleaning a load of pine needles from the Christmas tree. So I'm going to see how the Dyson agitates on this carpet. I think it'll agitate quite well, but I'm not sure how well. So I'm just going to empty it out and then see how it goes. Okay, so that's a little bit of dirt and dust from the rug, but that's not to worry, that'll get sucked up, no problem. There was a lot of pine needles clean up, so let's just see how this goes. As you can see, this Dyson did a phenomenal job on my pine needles. This carpet's a perfect pile to show the Dyson's capabilities for the agitation. The downstairs rug that I was going to use it on to get the pine needles out was not very good. It's just too thick pile to show the agitation. So this carpet's perfect, because the pine needles were all over the rug and all over the floor by the Christmas tree. But they're now in the Dyson and they've been agitated up from this carpet. So I hope you enjoyed this little Dyson Cinetic video, and I hope you enjoyed the other two videos that were also uploaded today. And I'll see you guys very soon.